Hello again, this is my other new video, Anna Vanila, me, Anna Vanila, on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, Anna Vanila, however you like to call it. I thought to share my experience of doing a pullover for myself. So this is the front part, which would go here, so it will be, as you can imagine, it's the front of the pullover, like so. It's a large pullover, which I'm trying to do by hand. This is a certain design, certain knit that I do, which I like so much, and I thought I'm going to do as a pullover. And this is the front piece, this is the back piece, and I have to put them together, basically stitch them together, and then I will do the sleeves, both sides with the sleeves. This is a kind of jumper I decided to do, which is a little bit warm and at the same time to be large, so it's comfortable for me, just in case I gain or lose weight, it will always fit me, you know. So I thought I'll do a bit larger with a little bit of excess, and I'm going to wear it when it's finished, and I'm going to show you how I've made it, how it looks on my body. And as you can see, I've finished the front and the back, so the only thing is left to do is the arms, the sleeves. I'm going to make the sleeves possibly somewhat larger, so that it looks more hippie-ish style, more nomadic style, maybe, yeah. Because I like when things sometimes are loose on me, so that I feel like I'm actually a little bit like on holiday, rather than feeling like it's tight on me all the time, you know. But something like this, you just put it on top of yourself and you feel warm and funny and cozy and happy that you've done it yourself, you see. And I think it's lovely. I love the color. The color is fantastic. The color is actually what attracted me to purchase this yarn, and it's acrylic yarn, and I hope you like it. Please write a comment, leave a comments about whether you like my projects, what you like the most, what would you like me to do in the near future, and how would you like my pullovers to look like. This pullover, how do you think would look better on me, and how to actually make it. And I'm going to wear it when I finish and share it with you. And but first of all, I would like some advices from you. How would you like me to finish this piece? How it would look as a finished piece? Why not? So thank you very much for listening, thank you for watching me, and see you in the next videos. Love you lots, bye!